Meet Joe, CEO of Joe's Corporation. Joe is using multiple IT applications. Unknown to Joe, cybercriminals have stolen the identity of Joe's team and are now using the same credentials to steal critical data from his company. Now let's meet Bill, CEO of Bill's Corporation. Unlike Joe, Bill is using multi-factor authentication to try and protect his applications. Multi-factor authentication requires the user to authenticate himself on the basis of something he knows, something he has, and something he is. However, Bill is worried as he knows that the current authentication products do not support 70% of critical applications. Bill is now introduced to AuthShield, a unique and patented technology which integrates multi-factor authentication at a protocol layer. AuthShield has protocol decoding engine, which allows it to implement authentication security in any and every application. The protocol decoding engine identifies authentication request from the user and prompts the authenticating user for a second factor of authentication. On validation, the user is granted access. Let's look at how AuthShield has helped thousands of users, along with Bill. A hacker has gained access to Bill's mail ID and password. He's trying to download and read his mails. However, Bill has now implemented AuthShield security. AuthShield identifies that the request is generated from a device not registered to Bill. It prompts Bill to identify or refuse the device. Bill realizes that a cybercriminal is trying to access his mails and promptly denies the request. Let's look at another example how AuthShield has helped Tom. Tom has just made a card transaction. With AuthShield implemented with his bank, Tom now receives a live notification even as the transaction is going on, giving him complete control to confirm or reject. AuthShield offers multiple authentication mechanisms, including devices registered to users, wearable technology, as well as biometric mechanisms such as image and speech-based authentication systems. Users can use any one or more than one method to authenticate their identity. AuthShield protects what nobody else can. Some of our happy customers are more than willing to share their experiences. True authentication is the most critical part of IT security framework today. The market is expected to grow at 21%. Join us in securing the world.